Today we're making a homemade window and mirror cleaner. It's simple and easy. You can use what you have to make your own window cleaner. Let me show you. Hey y'all, and welcome back. I'm Lynn, and today we're making homemade window cleaner. I'm going to show y'all how to mix up what you probably already have in your kitchen and make yourself some homemade window cleaner. It's great for mirrors, windows, and even the top of glass stoves. It's simple and easy, and I hope this video will help you save some money and use what you already have to make it yourself. Let's get started. Now, to make this homemade window cleaner, you can either buy yourself a spray bottle or just recycle an old used bottle that you already used your Windex out of. And what we're going to do is we're going to use a funnel, and all you'll do is add 1 cup of water, a 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar, and 3 drops of Blue Dawn. We'll take the funnel out of there for that. Put your lid on it. And that right there is just as good as the bought Windex. This right here will clean glass, tops, mirrors, and windows. Let me show you how. This right here is an all-purpose window, mirror, and glass cleaner. It works great. I hope y'all give it a try. Okay, y'all, that's how simple and easy you can make your own homemade window cleaner using basic ingredients that you already have. Learning to go back to the basics and use what you have in your home already without spending all that extra money. If you like our video on this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos on our cleaning products. It'll help you save a lot of money and time. Thanks for watching.